Welcome back to the channel. How you doing? I hope you're well. So we're going to try something a bit different today. So you all would have seen on these Facebook groups the Wetherspoons game, where people go to Wetherspoons, they put the number in, and then people send them drinks as a nice thing to do. So I've been observing this phenomenon for a while, and I've always wanted to do a video on it, but there's two blockers for me. So looking at the most successful posts, you'll find that it's either somebody with a sob story, down on the luck, being fired, they've had a bad day, or it's a young, not even young actually, it's just an attractive female with nice characteristics, pleasing characteristics. Now, you will know looking at me that none of these things apply. I'm very lucky in my life. I don't have many sob stories. I will one day. There'll be things that go wrong, I'll have a bad day, but right now, life's pretty sweet. I'm not gonna lie to you, I love my life. And also, I'm not attractive and young. So what we've done is we've used AI to create an image which I think will appeal to a certain demographic. It's not going to appeal to ladies, I don't think, but it will appeal to people aged between the age of 20 to 50 who like Star Wars. So I'm putting that image here, so you should be able to see it now if I'm positioning myself right. So we're going to share this, and we're going to come up with a catchy phrase to go with it. And then we're going to spend an hour and roughly about an hour and a half in there. Depends how long my wife and my daughter are ice skating for. And we're going to see if we get any drinks. That's it. It's that simple. It's not complicated. Super simple. I don't think I'm going to get any. I just don't. But even if I don't, I'm going to buy myself a couple of drinks anyway. And we'll go to Wetherspoons. What's the worst that could happen? Right, I'll see when we get there. Okay, so we're here and the post is live. It is now 18:33, 6:33, and we'll see what happens. I've ordered myself a drink, actually, just because I don't think I'm going to get any drinks, or anything really, and I thought it'd be probably a good idea just to get myself on in the meantime. And I can't remember what I ordered. Stay there. It is I know it was Nail. Obviously it's Nail, it's me. So I've ordered Otter OPA. If nothing else, we'll just have a few drinks, it'll be fine. So this is what I was worried about. Somebody's put, is this AI? Well, obviously it's AI. I'm not going to walk around dressed as Darth Vader. I've got two people so far liking though. No drinks though, so we'll see. Right, I'll come back to you shortly. So we've had Scott Thompson saying, is this AI? I've tried to go back with a funny response. But then we've had Matthew Styles, said, fair play fella, I've got you, don't worry. Don't know if he's sending anything, but we'll see. It's quite exciting this is. So far, we've had 12 reactions. Will it translate into drinks? I don't know. Let's find out. I had to put like a warning on my normal Facebook page in case my friends saw it and thought, what the hell is he doing? And now I'm getting abuse there as well. It's quite exciting this though. Guest nails turned up. Yeah, that's nice. So it's very malty. Right, I'll come back to you when anything develops on the Wetherspoons Game fronts. Okay, so Matthew Styles, bless his soul, has sent me a drink. Sent me something. He said on its way. Could be a bowl of peas, could be a beer. Who knows? Let's find out. Come back to you shortly. Just a like update. We're up to 21 likes. So maybe you can hack the Wetherspoons Game using AI. Who knows? This ale I ordered, $1.99 from the beer festival, the Otter Ale. It's absolutely fantastic. But we've only got one person so far saying they're going to send the drink. And by the way, that's amazing. It's more than I thought we'd get. But now I've had a taste of it. 3 drinks. Not that it's arrived yet, but now I've had a taste of 3 drinks. I want more. But I have got work tomorrow, so maybe not too many more. Our first 3 drinks arrived. It's a Doom Bar. I love Doom Bar. That's amazing. I can't believe we've got a drink for free. This is free. I wonder if we could like monopolise this and turn it into a business. That'd be amazing, wouldn't it? Okay, so here we are. Here's where we're currently at with drinks. This is the one I ordered. This is the one that's been sent. And I suspect this one is off of my best mate, Chris, who's not meant to be getting involved. So I think he's just being naughty. And also, did I mention I've got work tomorrow? Amazing. Right, we'll keep going. Okay, so we've now confirmed that the Hooch, it's like the 2000s never happened, is from my friend Chris. So that is cheating. He did put a nice message on my post saying a bottle of 90s nostalgia on its way. So Dawn Nichols has just said a beer on the way. So this is 2 legitimate drinks and 1 cheating drink, but this is good. So Dawn's just put another beer on the way. Don't know who Dawn is. Thank you, Dawn, by the way. I've just replied and said I will spare Alderaan for another day. So if you're a Star Wars geek, you'll get that. If not, you'll just think I'm talking nonsense. Same difference. Right, I've got to start drinking because I've got to drink this Doom Bar. Then I've got the Hooch waiting. Everybody who donated, everyone who's sending me a drink, I want to send a thank you afterwards with a link to the video once I've done it. So this is from Matthew Styles. Cool name, Matt. And Matt as well. I'm Matt Schott, you're Matt Styles. Don't know what's the better name. I think they're both pretty good. We'll call it there. So I think we're doing alright so far, aren't we? 2 drinks in. So I've just noticed that the post is up to 76 likes. That's a bit mad. So definitely the post is doing better than I thought it would. Do not underestimate people's love of Star Wars. Right, let's taste that sweet 90s nostalgia. Still tastes good. I wonder what percentage it is these days. 3.4%. Really tasty. So just a post update, we're about to go over 100 likes. We've had 2 drinks, but we are up to 100 likes now, so this is good. So we'll keep going. There's more people doing Star Wars puns than actually buying me drinks, so I feel like I need to go on there and start saying, look, it's all very well you people having your fun, but we're here for a reason. Drinks. Okay, so the second beer's arrived. So I think this is from Dawn Nichols. Thank you, Dawn, if you're watching this, which you probably will be because I'm going to send it to you. Thank you very much for the beer. Yeah, Carlsberg. Thank you very much. Cheers. Okay, we've just had the Guinness turn up as well. I think this is from Rebecca Whelan, who said a pint of the black stuff, I reckon. This is a Guinness and Black, actually. Not quite sure what a Guinness and Black is, but I'm going to send a message back saying thank you. Right, I think I'm going to have to call it soon because I've got a pint of Guinness Black at Carlsberg. Someone else has just said there's another beer on the way. I've got the Hooch, which I haven't finished yet, and I'm losing track of who to thank. I didn't think it'd be this stressful. Right, I think I've thanked everybody. So this is what we're looking like so far. We've got the Hooch Black Guinness, I think this is called. We've got the Carlsberg, and obviously we had the Doom Bar, which we had before. So I think it's fair to say this has been wildly successful. My barometer of success is 1 or 2 drinks. Right, the Hooch was really, really nice. Let's move on to the Dark Guinness. So I think this is Guinness with Ribena in it. This is a new one on me, so that's interesting. That's a bit like cough syrup, but I like it. It's kind of cool. Just an update on the post. There's up to 117 likes, and I don't know how many comments, but there's a lot. It's actually really difficult to stay on top of the comments. It's a hard job, but someone's got to do it. Right, let's finish this Guinness. Someone else has just commented Harminder Pal instead of pints in the way. I mean, I can drink all night, but it's a case of drinking and going to work tomorrow. That's where the issue could lie. It just seems to be loads of people like tagging people into the post, which is good because the more comments it gets, it's going to rise in popularity. But at the same time, like, stop tagging people, just buy me a drink. Right, we'll keep going. We've got 146 likes now. Considering I was expecting to get nothing, I've just noticed that one person shared my post. Jess Conlon. Thanks, Jess. If any of your friends buy me a drink, we'll split it 50-50. Not quite sure how that would work, but thank you. So I think we're going to close the post down in about 15 minutes. So it's now 7:14. We'll give it till past. Yeah, it's been alright, hasn't it? I thought this video would be a flop. It would just be me sat buying myself drinks, reading abuse off people, but it's been alright. Okay, so we've got another drink arrived. This is a Kronenberg. There's a lot of comments on here at the moment. It's really hard trying to keep up. Might be Mike Lund, I'm not sure. Let's just thank him. So actually that was only 1 minute ago, so I think there may be another drink on the way. Okay, so quick post update. 244 likes. That's alright, that is. And we're only we're just on an hour. 244 likes and 3 shares. Who's sharing this? You people are mad. But so far so good. We're going to close it down in the next 5 minutes. Okay, so I've closed the post down, but it's been a really good success. It was fun to do. There's something really addictive about not knowing what's going to arrive at your table. Yeah, that was fun.
Stop, collaborate and listen.
I've always wanted to do that. How you doing? I've just interrupted Drunk Matt for a few minutes just to give you an update because he's about to say goodbye to you in a rather, slurry fashion. But just wanted to give you an update on the post. So the post actually did really, really well. So you'll know from the footage we were only there for an hour, but I do think if we stayed for 2 to 3 hours, we would have been inundated with drinks because I think we got to about 170 likes during the hour, just breaching 200 maybe as I left. But then throughout the course of the evening, the post went on to do bloody loads of likes. The admin shut the comments down. So I think we got by Friday morning was up to about 900 likes. Then it started slowing down. I think we're about 960 now. So I'll pop the post here so you can see the latest update on how many likes we got. But yeah, it was a really, really big success. So the thing I'm most proud of is that middle-aged frumpy Matt got more likes on that page than any post I could see. I scrolled back for about 3 or 4 months. I could not see any more posts with anywhere near 900 likes. I think I saw one about 400. So yeah, in answer to the question, can AI help you cheese the Wetherspoons game? Yeah, it absolutely can. I'm convinced if I'd stayed there for another 2 or 3 hours, I would have been plastered and I wouldn't have known what to do with all the drinks. So yeah, what a success. So it just goes to show you, it doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter how ugly you are, how decrepit you are. You just got to put a bit of force into it and you can do whatever you want. So yeah, I'm calling this a success. We may do this experiment again in a few months, but I think after this everyone's going to cotton on to the fact that you can use AI images to generate people liking and commenting to get free drinks. But we did it first. You saw it here first. Anyways, I'm going to pass you back to Drunk Matt. Go easy on him, he's a bit of a dick. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Listen, thank you for watching if you stayed with us this long. I'm not sure how entertaining it's going to be with just watching me get drinks, but there we go. I think we did really well though. A lot better than I thought we would do. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. If you're not new to the channel, you're just here supporting me, thank you so much. We're drawing in now on 800 subscribers and it's mental, that is. Absolutely mental. But it's been great. Thank you very much. You guys have a great night and I'll see you in the next video.